Enduro Yeomans, and today we're at Chicksands. We would have some really good intros with a nice drone shot, but apparently you're not allowed to, but we managed to get some sneaky footage, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Oh, lovely run. Right, let's see if I can get a whole good run. Nearly stacked it there. Oh yeah, that was sketchy, but we keep going. Not doing that, never. Drop in, another drop in. All these flies are hitting me in the face. That's probably the best run I've done all day. What a quality little run. Here we go again. Shall I go again? Tell you what, these jumps are fun, but Jesus Christ, they're hard.
Done the first and second. Fair play, boys. They was like, oh, some of my men's went to come in, they're not going to.
That done my wrist. Just a quick update, there will definitely be more enduro videos on the motorbikes coming up very soon. It's just we're trying to put a bit more effort into the editing side and stuff like that, sorting bits out with the motorbikes and trying to find new locations, so bear with me on that, but there will be a lot more content.